what should really matter is that as these fragmentation moves forward, if we are able to define a unique position and value add for each of the fragmented media offerings, then it will start making a lot more sense to the marketer. You don't want to clutter a marketer with a variety and a plethora of options which do not give him significant ROI. So I think the whole equation of what we are delivering to a marketer in terms of a solution, how that unique solution is blended by adding various elements of this fragmented market, that will really determine the success of this collaboration that is there between media houses and media agencies. And I'm kind of hoping that we will continue to do a lot of good work with almost all our agency partners, and it would be difficult to name all of them, but some of the larger ones that we do tremendous amount of exciting work is of course Group M and Madison and IPG with Lodestar and Lintas and VPN, and there's some very exciting innovations in print that are coming through that are obviously adding value to the clients. One of the interesting developments that we've seen is categories that have in the recent past moved away from print. For example, FMCG and beverages is now finding significant gain in traction in terms of coming back to print, because they're able to articulate a message to a very targeted audience using print, which they are not able to do using television, because television goes into a mass broadcast audience and obviously it loses its efficacy in terms of reaching a particular category of audience that you want to reach out to. All in all, I believe there are exciting times ahead, and of course as the Indian economy goes and the demographic dividend of a young working population increases and our economy grows, I believe that Indian economy and hence the Indian media industry will continue to prosper. I mean, the fact remains that India today has the lowest spends as a percentage of revenue amongst commercial organizations and corporations, and worldwide that number is much higher. So clearly there is an untapped potential and an opportunity for media houses, for media agencies and for clients to do better in the marketplace and serve the ultimate consumer.